Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another crochet tutorial. I am using a very simple braid pattern consisting of 10 cornrows in the front that start out as individual plaits. The two rows where my part will be are individual plaits that were connected. Now this will allow my results to look a bit more natural. I continued bringing those cornrows straight to the back. However, I did combine several of the braids from the front in order to cut down on the number of cornrows I have in the back. And to hide the tail of each braid, I just added it into its neighboring cornrow. The hair that I'll be installing today is from ToyoTress. They are the distressed butterfly locks in 12 inches in the color 1B, and there are 10 locks per bag. Now here's a close-up of one lock. I absolutely love the texture of these locks and how it's distressed throughout the entire length of the strand, which will give me that messy look that I'm going for. I'm going to start out in the front installing these locks using the standard crochet method. What I do is I like to point the needle in the direction that I want the hair to go to allow the hair to lay flatter. One heads up about this hair is that the loops on the ends are a little bit tight, which makes it difficult sometimes to pull the lock through. So you may want to make sure that you use your fingers to kind of expand that opening to make it easier to pull the locks through. Alright, at this point I'm going to speed the video up a little bit just to allow you guys to watch while I finish up the install. Then I will be back to show you all the finished look. Alright, so about an hour later, I am finally done with the install. So let's see what the results are of these butterfly locks. And I think my reaction speaks for itself. I am very much satisfied with how this look came out. In my opinion, these locks have the perfect thickness, and I say that because despite only installing 7.5 packs of hair, I was still able to achieve maximum braid coverage as well as a good amount of volume. The hair is full, but it is lightweight, which is always a plus because that means I'm not putting a lot of tension and strain on my scalp. I really would love to know what you guys think about this style. If you think that I'm rocking this look, go ahead and give me a thumbs up to let me know that you like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in seeing more videos similar to this one. Down below in the description box is where I will leave more details about this hair and where you can make your purchases. And y'all know I like to keep it short and sweet, so that is my time. I'll see y'all later. Bye.